Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to talk about a very prestigious scholarship in Netherlands, and it is the Leiden University Excellence Scholarship. Let's unlock the gateway to higher education excellence in the Netherlands. In this video, we'll be talking about the eligibility criteria, benefits, as well as the application procedure of this scholarship in detail. I will explain the application procedure step by step so you don't have any problem when you are applying for this scholarship. Watch till the end to get the maximum benefit out of this scholarship. Let's have a bit of overview of this scholarship first. This prestigious scholarship is designed for exceptionally talented individuals who demonstrate a very outstanding academic performance and are very passionate about a transformative educational journey at the Leiden University. The Leiden University program stands as a beacon for those driven by the academic excellence, and this scholarship is offering several programs including humanities, science, law, medicine, archaeology, governance, and global affairs, and many more. That's a bit of introduction about the Leiden University. Leiden University was founded in 1575 and it is one of the Europe's foremost research universities, offering a wide range of programs at undergraduate and postgraduate levels across various disciplines. I have given a link over here that is the fully funded scholarship for the academic year 2024-25 for the international students. To access this article, I have given the link in the description box down below. Let's further talk about the degree level of this scholarship. This scholarship is available to undertake master's level program, and the benefits of these scholarships are reduction towards a tuition fee, that is a 10,000 euros, 15,000 euro, and or it is going to cover your total tuition fee. It depends upon your academic performance. Let's further talk about the nationalities. This scholarship is open to non-European students, and it is open for the UK nationals post-Brexit. Let's talk about the eligibility criteria, academic requirements first. You should be having a very marvelous academic background to apply for the master's program, and there are some obligations. Recipients of this scholarship are required to confirm their acceptance of the terms and conditions associated with this scholarship. You can check out the terms and conditions from over here, and there are some exclusions as well. You are gonna get disqualified from this scholarship if you are already have completed a master's degree at Leiden University, and applicant that are pursuing an LLM non-advanced or MSc program at Leiden Law School, and students enrolling in programs commencing in February at the Faculty of Humanities, Faculty of Sciences, and Leiden Law School. Individuals who do not meet the specified nationality requirements are ineligible for the scholarship. You cannot combine this scholarship with a full scholarship from an external provider as well. So let's further talk about the application procedure. For the application procedure, you need to apply it online. You need to check your eligibility criteria and everything before it. So let's go to the official website first to check out the step-by-step application procedure. This is the official portal, and now let's go towards the application process. As you can see that excellence scholarship is for the master's program. There is this proper step-by-step guide over here. The first step is your check the admission requirement. There are all links over here as well, your deadline, your required documents, and then you can start your application. Pay your tuition fee and prepare for your studies at the Leiden University. You can start your application journey from here. You need to create an account, and then you will get a link to the online admission portal of the Leiden University after some time. From that link, you can access the application form, submit your all documents, and submit it properly. Go through everything properly, because you cannot submit an application form twice. So that's all for today. best of luck for your application journey and hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with the friends who are willing to go to Netherlands, and take care.